Alrighty, folks. The epic road trip begins. It's not really that epic, but, well, it could be. We're saving a puppy's life. So yeah, that'll work, right? Anyways, heading out way later than I wanted to, but you know, oh well. Waiting around on people, trying to get addresses and all that other shenanigans. But we are finally on the road to get this puppy going. So we shall see. Don't know if you guys can read that. The left side says passing zone. The right side says suicide zone. I just wanted to point that out because that is epic. So true too. Guys, never pass the semi on the right. It's just dumb. Don't do it. I know, you guys got to see my face. Ooh, anyways, the whole reason I made this long trip out here to Roswell is for that. The little puppy. The little puppy. The little puppy. She's already fallen asleep on my leg. Oh, how can anybody not say no to that? The big old puppy.